Some agencies take several client payments per day. AgencyPro easily handles your payment postings by first referencing the billing method on the policy. When you have applied a payment toward a direct bill policy, the system will attempt to pass the payment on to the carrier. We take the payment just like we took an agency bill payment by selecting our client, going to the client AR, and clicking the Receive Customer Payments icon. You will see all of the client policies listed. Notice that our direct bill policies show 0 in the amount due. Despite our 0 balance, we can apply a payment by typing the amount of the payment against each policy in the amount paid column. Once you have applied your payment to the proper policies, you will fill in the total payment information at the bottom of the window. We enter the total amount in the amount of payment field and change the date if needed. You have the option of recording a check number or checking the cash box in the case of a cash payment. The check number field can take alpha characters, so if the finance or mortgage company is paying, or perhaps it is a credit card payment, you can type that information in. An invoice number is not issued to a direct bill policy, so leave this field blank. Click OK to post your payment, and the program will check your policy billing method and tell you that the payment is applied to a direct bill payable. The direct bill payable is the 2100 series of accounts designed to bounce these payments through the accounting. These accounts have only been generated on companies once marked as direct in the billing method. The program looked again at the policy for the billing company listed and will post this payment to that company's 2100 account. Next, the system offers a receipt in case your client is standing there needing one. If not, simply close, and if ever you need to reprint, you can do so by clicking the $ in T-File. You will now be asked to write a check to the company. I encourage you to say yes to this message, as the program will try to pass this payment through to the appropriate company, leaving you with less work and potential for misallocation of these through payments. You will be asked which bank account to issue refund from. You will choose the bank that this payment will be paid from, whether you need to print a check or are uploading to the carrier, and they will sweep the account. You will not see the details of this payment on the client AR screen, but you can see it at the policy's transaction detail, in the T-File, and out of the cash ledger waiting to be deposited. You can also visit the company payment to see that the system assumes that this will be an EFT, but if you need to print, you can unlock the entry, add a check number, and make it true in the print field. If you are uploading this payment and WebView is set up, simply click on WebView to visit the company's site. Next up is how to return premium to the client or a finance company.